So may I know why we people are gathered here?
We are here to discuss about water power plants and their types.
Yeah, very good. Because electricity is a very important part. So as a part of our electrical student, we have to mainly know where is electricity come from, then how to generate. Yes. So can someone tell me what are the types of power plants?
Here are some of the types of power plants. Thermal power plants, hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plants, wind power plants, and geothermal power plants, and biomass power plants, and solar power plants.
Yeah, she's right. Now, which one is the booming technology you think about? Which one is booming nowadays? Electric vehicles as well as solar power plants are booming because we all use solar water heaters in our home. Yes? Okay. Can anyone tell me what is solar and can you explain?
Darika will be explaining about the major roles of solar power plants in India.
Without pollution, and it is reduced electricity bills and save money for the major role of solar power plant in India. Clean energy and produce electricity without pollution, and it is used to reduce electricity bill and save money for homes and industries. Rural areas like remote powers, farms and villages, and it is used to government goals renewable energy targets.
Can we see the applications of solar power plants in India?
The solar power plants in India majorly urban areas like Hyderabad, Bengaluru and Delhi in the form of rooftop solars, and farming areas like Punjab, Haryana for the solar water pump and agri uses, and remote villages like for off-grid powers is eastern states and Ladakh.
Shruti, can you tell me the uses of solar power plants?
So the uses of solar power plant, it is used to generate electricity, and it is also used to heat water, heating water for residential and industrial purpose, and charging batteries like charging mobile phones, laptops and other gadgets, and it is also used for street light and traffic signal, and it is also used in e-vehicles for charging cars, and it is used whenever clean and low efficiency energy. So can you explain about the booming of EV vehicle in India?
Yes. In India, it witnessed that electric vehicle adoption is high. Due to the price of fuel is high, we use electric vehicle in more numbers. In the 2023 cases, that said, by 15 lakh solar power charged EV vehicles are used in India, and this leads to the Green Push Act, which by the concerns of environment pollution, goes under the Green Push Act. And in 2030, India targets that 30% of vehicles should be solar power charged electric vehicle. This explains that in EV vehicles are just not the trends, they are the mobility of the future India.
This group discussion, we were able to understand how clean and renewable our solar energy is. And by applying this concept of clean and renewable energy in electrical vehicles, we ensure that there is no fossil fuel emissions, or there is better conditions in the air, and we can enhance those conditions for our future generations. So I think solar renewable energy is the best version of energy.
So from this, I'm going to conclude like we will encourage our friends to buy vehicles, and in our home also we can install solar power plants so that it will be a type of helping for the government. And I state that if we install solar, some percentage of subsidy is given to us. You people are know or not, but so this is one kind of encouragement for us to move on to the renewable energy. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. In electric vehicles, grid, there are two types of grid, on-grid and off-grid. As the on-grid work on the fully process of solar panels, electricity, and the charge flows in a flow of directions. In off-grid, it's fully based on the solar battery system. In India, in worldwide, India, China and Europe are working heavily under solar power infrastructure to develop their country's economy by pollution-free environment.